I love that. Sometimes I do the 10-minute timer in the mornings. I love that. Setting a timer so that you're not getting all cranky by going for a half hour, 45 minutes, and you're like, I didn't even plan to do this. What the heck? Unless it's energy rich. And then if you're like, oh, this is so good, that's totally different. So I love that, setting a timer. I know for a while when I had lots of kids at home in the morning, I would put on my tidy up apron. And as soon as they walked out the door, it just worked out for me like this. As soon as they walked out the door, I would put on my tidy up aprons that had pockets and I had a cloth and things like that. And then I would just go top to bottom and just do quick, 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 quick. And then I just kind of cut it down to where's the main spots that people would see when they come in, and then the kids can do the rest when they do their chores. But for me, it felt so good to be able to know my living room, my entry, my kitchen counter, it's clear and my bed is made, and it was lovely. It made it so that I tidied up in 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most. And then the rest of the day was so smooth. It just worked for me. But again, whatever works for you, you can have a quick tidy up before dinner or before family prayer at night if you do family prayer. I've liked that too, where I'm like, before we talk about rides and fun things you're going to do this weekend at our planning at family prayer, go do your zone. So they know that that's what they need to do before we actually sit down. Go feed the cat, do whatever, and then we're going to sit down. Like I said, don't think I do this like a boss. I don't. Just last week, I'm like, we got to get back on that about feeding the cat at certain times, because now everybody's feeding the cat and we're off schedule. So we got to get back onto, no, sweet, it's your job before we have family prayer, go check her food. So if that makes sense. An apron is amazing to quickly shift your mindset and get in cleaning organization mode. Yes, it really is fantastic. And you can just do your own kind of apron. You can even add a pocket if you want, or have a little tool belt. Maybe, heaven forbid, should I mention a fanny pack? Is that even, you know what? The 80s are so back in. Acid wash jeans, mom jeans, and Reeboks. I mean, come on. I'm waiting for the big bangs to start coming back in. Please don't.
Thanks for watching. As always, hit that like button, click on that bell to get some future videos right into your inbox. And if you want all the other goodies like podcasts, best-selling books, results-getting programs, and all that jazz, then go to ConnieSokol.com. I got lots of goodies there for you. And if you want to connect on social media, I'm on all platforms, so join me there because I want to connect with you right now and help you step into your purpose-filled life.